21 ST January 2023. Unit 1 Greeting and Introduction. Greeting. Hello, my name is Kotha. I'm 12 years old and interested. I have a brother and a sister. My brother is Richard. He is 16 years old. He studies in grade 9. He is very good at mathematics. My sister is Rodina. She is 10 years old. She studies in grade 5. She is good at English. We study in the same school. We go to school by bicycle every morning. The school is about 1 kilometer from our house. It takes 15 minutes to get there. Our school is a nice place to study. It has a library, a ground, a garden, a playground, and a football field. We like our school.
Good.